Jai Gurudev children. In our previous class, we learnt about the sources of water, right? Yes. Rivers, lakes, ponds, and wells are the sources of water. Very good. Children, which is the main source of water? Yes, very good. Rain is the main source of water, right? Yes. Children, in our today's class, we are going to do few experiments. Come on, let's get started. Children, for the first experiment, I have taken few containers here. Now, observe these containers, children. Observe carefully. Now, let's pour water into these, children. Observe carefully. Now, I'm going to pour water into these containers. Yes, now I have poured water in all these containers, children. Now, observe carefully. Now, observe the water in all these containers, children. Observe the water carefully, children. Take your time and observe carefully, children. Observe, children. Children, does water looks the same in all these containers? Observe carefully, children. Does water look the same in all these containers? Think, children. No. But why, children? Why is it not looking the same? Why? What's the difference here? Why is it not looking the same, children? But I have poured the same water in all these containers, right? Then what is the difference here? Why is it not looking the same? Observe carefully, children. Observe carefully and think, children. Okay, now let me take two more containers now. Observe, children. Observe, children. I have taken two more containers now, children. I'm going to pour water into it. Now observe, children. Observe carefully. Observe all the containers now. Now I have poured the same water in all these containers, children. Now is it looking the same? Still no. But why, children? Why is it not looking the same? What's the difference here? Think, children. Observe carefully. What's the difference here? What's the difference, children? Yes, you're right. It's the shape, right? Water, when it is poured to different containers, it takes the shape of the container. Very good. But why, children? Why should water take the shape of the container? Why? Okay, now observe this, children. I have a plate here. So now I am going to pour a little water on this plate now. Observe carefully, children. Yes. Observe carefully. Children, now can you tell me the shape of the water on this plate? Now can you tell me the shape of the water on this plate? What is the shape of the water on this plate, children? Yes, very good. No shape, right? Yes. So now what did you understand from this experiment, children? What did you understand? Water has no shape. Water will take the shape only when it is poured into different containers like this. Right, children? Yes. So what is the first property of water, children? Yes, water has no shape. Very good, children. Now, let's do the second experiment. Children, for the second experiment, we need 3 glasses of water. Along with that, we need turmeric or haldi powder and kumkum. So come on, now let's get started. Children, this will be glass 1, glass 2 and glass 3. Now, I am going to add turmeric powder in glass 2. Now, you have to observe carefully, children. I am going to add turmeric powder in glass 2. Observe carefully, children. Yes. Keep observing, children. Now, I will be adding kumkum in glass 3. Keep observing, children. Observe carefully, children. Children, does the water look the same in all the 3 glasses? Observe carefully, children. Does the water look the same in all the 3 glasses? No. But why? Yes, you're right. When we added turmeric powder and kumkum powder into the glass 2 and glass 3, the water color changed, right? Yes, the water in the glass 2 turns yellow. Very good. And the water in the glass 3 turns red. Very good. Now, what about the water in the glass 1, children? Is there any changes in the glass 1? No. But why? Why there is no changes in the glass 1, children? Yes, because nothing was added into the glass 1, right? Yes. So now can you tell me the color of the water in the glass 1? What is the color of the water in the glass 1, children? Yes, very good. No color, right? Yes. So now what did you understand from this activity? What did you understand, children? Water has no color. Very good. Water has no color. Water changes its color only when something is added to it, right? Water changes its color only when we add something to it. Like glass 2 and glass 3. Yes, very good. So the second property of water is water has no color. Very good, children. Now let's do the third experiment, children. For this experiment, we need 2 glasses of water and elaichi powder, children. Cardamom powder. Yes. Children, this will be glass 1 and this is glass 2. Now I have filled water in both these glasses. Right? Yes. Now I am going to add elaichi powder in one of these glasses, children. Okay, now let me add elaichi powder in glass 2. Observe carefully, children. Now I am going to add elaichi powder in glass 2. Now observe carefully, children. Observe carefully. Children, you can also do this experiment along with me. You can pause the video and take the things that is required for this activity. You need 2 glasses of water and elaichi powder. And you have to add elaichi powder in one of these glasses, children. Done, children? Yes. Now observe carefully, children. Observe carefully. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's smell both the glasses and let's check it, children. Okay? Yes. Now let me take the glass 1. How does this smell, children? I have taken glass 1. How does this smell? Is there any changes? No. Yes. Now, what about glass 2? Come, let's check glass 2, children. How does this smell, children? Is there any changes in the glass 2? Yes, you're right. This smells so good, right? Yes. But why, children? Why the water in the glass 2 smells so good? Why, children? Why there is no changes in the glass 1, children? Think. Yes, you're right. The water in the glass 2 smells so good. It is because of the elaichi powder, right? Yes, very good. Elaichi powder is making the water smell good. Children, now what if elaichi powder was not added? Yes, there would be no changes, right? Yes, very good, children. So now what did you understand from this activity? Yes, water has No smell. Very good, children. So the third property of water is water has no smell. Very good, children. Now let's do the fourth experiment, children. For this experiment, we need 2 glasses of water and sugar. Children, you can also do this activity along with me. Okay? Yes. Children, this is glass 1 and this is glass 2. Now I am going to add sugar in glass 2, children. Observe carefully. Now I am going to add sugar in glass 2. Observe carefully, children. Children, does the water look the same in both the glasses? Yes. Okay. Now let's do one thing, children. Let's drink the water from both the glasses and let's check, children. Okay? Yes. Now let me take glass 1, children. Let's take glass 1. Children, is there any changes in the glass 1? No. Okay. Now let's take glass 2, children. Children, is there any changes in the glass 2? Yes. Then what's the changes, children? Yes, you're right. The water in the glass 2 tastes sweet, right? But why, children? Why the water in the glass 2 tastes sweet? Why? And why there is no changes in the glass 1? Why, children? Why there is no changes in the glass 1? Yes, you're right. It is because of the sugar that we have added in the glass 2, right? Yes, and the sugar is making the water taste sweet. Very good, children. Children, what if sugar was not added in the glass 2? Yes, there would be no changes, right? Yes, very good. So children, now what did you understand from this activity? What did you understand, children? Yes, water has no taste. Very good, children. So the fourth property of water is water has no taste. Very good. That was interesting, right? Yes. So children, can you tell me the 4 properties of water? Yes. Water has no shape. Water has no color. Very good. Water has no smell. And water has no taste. Very good, children. So these are the 4 properties of water. Now observe these pictures, children. Observe carefully. What is happening in all these pictures, children? What are they doing? Yes, people are washing their vessels, clothes, and animals, right? Yes. Now, what about this picture? Yes, people have thrown wastes into the river water, right? Yes. Now, what about this picture, children? Yes, the waste and the chemical waste are thrown by factories into the river water. Yes.
Now observe all these pictures carefully. Now what's happening in all these pictures, children? Observe carefully, think and tell me. What's happening in all these pictures? Yes, you're right. They are dirtying the water, right? Yes. And we all know that we get water from, yes, very good, rivers, lakes, and ponds, right? Yes, they are the sources of water. Very good. Children, what happens if we drink dirty water? What happens, children? Yes, you're right. We may fall sick if we drink dirty water. Dirty water often contains germs which are harmful for our body, right? Yes. So, what should we do? Yes, we should not dirty the water. And usually, the water from ponds, lakes, or rivers may contain dirt and germs. So, before drinking water, what should we do, children? Yes, water has to be cleaned or made germ free. We should boil or filter water to make it safe and clean. But children, does the dirty water affects only the human beings? No, it also affects the plants and also the animals, right? Yes, even they drink water, even they need water to live. Water is very important to us, right? Yes, and all living things need water. So we should not dirty the water.
So, children, we should not dirty the water, right? Yes, water is very precious, and all living things need water. And without water, there is no life, right? Yes. But children, if we stop dirtying the water, is enough? No, right? We should also save the water. Very good. And we should not waste the water. And do you know there are so many ways to save the water? Like by turning off the tap while brushing our teeth, and by using a bucket of water to bathe instead of using a shower, and by repairing the leaking pipes. And when it rains, we can store the rainwater in big containers, and this water can be used to water the plants, and also for mopping our home, and for washing the staircases, etc. So let us all save water and not waste the water. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.